Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet rugs. It's very trending and amazing collection especially for beginners, and this video is very helpful for you. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet rugs ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular designs. And you know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet rugs. So ever pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself, for your home's beauty. Thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, finally now I am here with you the benefits of crochet rugs. It's very trending and the beautiful addition in crochet items. So it is soft and comfortable underfoot and relaxing, feel relaxed, easy to make and customize, gentle on floors and surface, can be made in various sizes and shapes, portable and easy to move, adds a touch of handmade charm to a room, can be used as a decorative accent or functional mat, easy to clean and maintain, can be made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials, a great way to upcycle and repurpose yarn and materials. Crochet rugs are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home decor while also enjoying the benefits of a handmade, unique and cozy addition to your space. So your crochet is a, you know very well, crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabrics. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. So if you are looking for crochet resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. Patterns, I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarves to blanket to afghans and toys. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know, and I will do my best to assist you. I hope you all are understand viewers. So one more thing I am share with you, the crochet is a Very amazing collections. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminium, steel, and wood. So, crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So, happy crocheting. Viewer, now I am share with you some more interesting detail about crochet. It's a relaxing and stress relief. Benefits are creative expression and self-expression. And if you are interested to learning how to crochet, so I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, with tips and inspirations for your next project. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using hook and yarn, and it's used to make a wide range of items from clothing, accessories, and home decor and toys. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience, share your mind's detail. So I hope this video is very helpful for beginners. Thank you so much viewer for watching this video. Thank you so much viewer for supporting me. Be support me like this forever, friends. I am very happy to see this. All the YouTube community are very supportive and very kind. If you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and the latest update. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.